Hey, this is Ankur Shukla here, and I'm super excited to announce that we're going to release the new version of PayDrill, PayDrill 2017 edition, in the first week of February. With the PayDrill 2017, you get a brand new summary dashboard where you can see 200% more data points. You can see a breakdown of sales, you can see a breakdown of fees, you can see a breakdown of payments, as well as more information about your customers, products, and the countries that you sell in. Now, one of the other things that our customers asked was to actually be able to see multiple currencies in their account balance. Now, you could only see the primary currency earlier, but now with the 2017 edition, you can see multiple currencies at the same time. One more feature that we added was the ability to see email addresses of all your customers by default. Also, when adding a new PayPal account to your PayDrill software, now you have a brand new step-by-step wizard which lets you add a PayPal account to your software in just 3 clicks. Not just that, we have gone ahead and overhauled the entire user experience of the software, which makes it super smooth and sleek for you to use PayDrill. And yes, if you're a business customer, you can now switch your accounts from one PayPal to the other without restarting the software. Now let me start with the first premium feature that I'm super excited about. We have added the ability to add tags to transactions. So you can actually add a tag to any email address that you get payments from. So let's say you get a payment from MZ Enterprises, but that person is Jack Bauer. So you can actually tag him as Jack and you will be able to see his transactions by searching for his name instantly. This makes it super easy to actually find out transactions you get from weird names, and that actually makes it really easy for you to find the right people with the right transactions. Also, another thing our customers asked for was the ability to create receipts for their sales, because sometimes your customers may ask you to send them a PayPal receipt and then you will have to actually scramble all over Excel and Word and create PDF receipt. But now with PayDrill, you can just generate a receipt for that transaction in one click, download it in PDF and send it to your customer. Now, if you use PayPal for eBay transactions, the next feature is amazing. You can add tracking numbers for your orders and sale. You can actually search by tracking information as well, and you will be able to see what item was sold and shipped at what time. Now, for advanced users, we've added data mapping. So now you can actually map different transaction types into different ways, and that will allow you to see more transactions across every single dashboard. We've also added support for 40 different time zones. So now you will be able to see exact transactions in your time zone and how the sales and transactions have happened over every single day or month or year. Now with PayDrill 2017, you will be able to auto refresh and reload all your dashboards once new data has been downloaded. Earlier, you had to click once to get the new data into the dashboards, but no more. You can actually automatically update every single screen without having to click anywhere. And one of the most exciting things about the PayDrill 2017 software is alerts and notifications. We have added floating alerts that actually do not distract you. They make no sound, but on the right side of your screen, you will be able to see your account balance as and when it's updated. You'll be able to see new transactions that get downloaded, and you'll also be able to get notifications for new payments and sales that happen in your account. And now when it comes to reports, we've added 4 amazing reports for our pro and business users. So if you have not upgraded to the pro and business, I highly recommend that you do that on the next page. So let me walk you through these reports. We've added something called as the comparison report. This is amazing, guys, because with this report, you can compare your business in 2 separate date ranges. So you can actually compare how your business did in the holidays of last year as compared to this year. And you will be able to see exactly what numbers went up and what numbers went down. This is super awesome. We've also added the ability to see subscription reports. Now you will be able to see active subscriptions, recurring sales, and a beautiful graph that shows subscriptions, cancellations, and all those things in the subscriptions report. A number of our customers wanted to know how they can actually find their most loyal customers or the worst customers that they had who actually have had multiple refunds. So now with the customers report, you can actually generate a list of all those customers in one click. You can see which are your top 100 customers which have bought over and over from you again, and the amount of business that they've brought to you. And you can also see which of your customers have refunded the most. You can probably add them to a blacklist or something. We also have a complete transactions report. So you can actually download all the sales, payments, recurring transactions for any date range or any specific country you want. And this report actually will be extremely useful for your accountants to actually be able to track your transactions across various countries and date ranges. So with all these amazing features, PayDrill 2017 is amazing.